We are looking at the valve cover for my 13 Explorer Sport. This is the front one that has a high pressure fuel pump mounted to it. I'm getting ready to install new spark plug tube seals and a VVT seal into this valve cover. Here I like to use a socket that's exact same size as the tube seal. That way we don't damage the tube seal when installing it. It also works good for the VVT seal. Ford made these things about the same size. Here we use a 30mm socket. Just look and see what you have. Try to find something that matches up to the OD of the seal. First, to take the spark plug tube seal and stick it in the hole where it goes and try to center it and line it up. Then I take the socket and a hammer and give it a good whack and start to drive it in. When I do the first one, I always watch and make sure that I get it where I need it. You can always drive it back through a little bit if you need to, but the least back and forth you have to do, the least chance of damaging the seal. And then once you get the tube seal installed or close to where you want it, double check it on the back side, make sure you don't have it through too far. Then move on to putting the other two in, and then do your VVT seal. Next, take your VVT seal, line it up in the hole. I like to tap it in a little bit since it sticks up around. That way you can get it started a little bit. Then take your socket and drive it in flush with the edge of the valve cover. Here you see I got the 3 brand new spark plug tube seals installed, and I also got the brand new VVT seal installed, all with no damage. Nice new seals so we have no leaks. Duplicate this on the other valve cover and you'll have everything all set. Double check your stick through, make sure you're not sticking through too much, make sure it sticks through just enough. Add a little grease to these when you install the valve cover and it'll ease the assembly.